Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today we are talking about Lush. I did some Lush shopping. It has been a hot minute since I went into Lush, and I didn't actually go into Lush, unfortunately, because all the stores are closed. And I actually got some stuff for Christmas and then did a subsequent curbside pickup because I fell in love with a few of the samples that came with my Christmas gift. So, without further ado, allow me to introduce you to my bath bomb tree. This is perfection. These are all spectacular, and I could smell this even while it was wrapped up underneath the tree. It was so fragrant. So I used one of the bath bombs already, but this is such a great gift. It's the Oh Christmas Tree. It has Avo bath bomb, Butterball bath bomb, which I used. It was so moisturizing. The Shoot for the Stars, and this has the glitter in it, so be ready to watch the tub. Snow Fairy, Intergalactic, Groovy Kind of Love. It says mini bath bomb, but honestly these look pretty like maxi size to me, so can't wait to continue using these. I have the most beautiful tub and it's fabulous to just sit there with a book. It feels like I'm in a spa. So there we have it, the tree. Now, another thing that was a gift about a month or two ago is this cookie dough shower scrub. I need to use this more because it is great. Lush stuff is notorious for looking a little bit funky, but this stuff is wonderful. I love that the Lush products have a really great moisturizing aspect to them for the most part, so it's a beautiful scrub and then it leaves your skin feeling so lovely. As well as the bath bombs. Like, I rarely have to actually like rinse off after using a bath bomb because usually my skin just feels really nice and comforting. And I shower probably like every other day, and then I take a bath on the off days, so I'm usually not like filthy. If I take a, if I do a hard workout or something, I'll usually shower off and then hop in the bath. So love that. I also got some samples with my gift. So one of them was roasting chestnuts on an open fire shower gel. At first I thought like something has gone bad in this, but it's actually just really spicy. And is this bright orange color, and it's actually like that fabulous jelly texture from Lush, so this works great. And once you kind of mousse it up, it smells a little bit less intense, but this was good. I did not purchase it because it is quite pungent, but Cup of Coffee is another one I tried. This is their face and body mask. I used this once and it felt great. Woo, very, very strong as well. Lots of coffee in there. It smells really nice, and you're supposed to actually leave it on for like 15 minutes, which I did not do. That'd actually be fun in the tub too. Like, you get in, you put that on your face and neck, and then like when you're getting out, whether it's 15 minutes or like 30 minutes later, you could kind of rinse it off. So I'm actually going to try that next time. The final sample I have is the Yog Nog body milk, and oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. This stuff smells divine. It is a beautiful vanilla. It almost smells like a Madeleine would taste. It is so good. It looks fabulous. There's no glitter in it, which is great. So that influenced my purchase. So in this bag I have not one, not two, but 3 Yog Nogs. So I got 2 of the large body washes, body milks, which is great. And they are to be used by November 4th, 2021, December 23rd, 2021, right in time to restock. These were actually 50% off too. I went the day after Boxing Day, and they were like on perfect promo still because the Boxing Day sale was like totally nuts on the Lush website. So yeah, it was great to do the curbside pickup, and I have my little travel size. How cute. So that's amazing. I also got the shower gel, and this one does have like glitters in it. I want to see if it's, oh yeah, oh, it smells good. The exact same, just actually maybe like a little bit more floral, I think, in this one. So it is just amazing. I don't know if this will leave you the skin like glittery, but I'm down for a little glisten at all times. So that's that. Then I have the next bag in here with 1 sample. Oh, I actually had a soap sample that I tried too, which was great. I forget what it's called, but it's yellow with like white speckles. It was great. This is the Outback Mate soap. Holy moly, it smells like my favorite thing in the world, eucalyptus. So let me open this. I want to see what it looks like. I just smelled it from the outside. Oh, so pretty. Their soaps just look like works of art. Wow, that's strong. That's great. I have so many bar soaps that I never use because I find the fragrance just gets kind of gross after a while. It smells amazing. Oh, I can't wait to use that. So it's going in the shower. I also like soaps in baths. I find they get less like slippy and gross. And then there's this little tab, and this is like a face steaming tab, and it's tea tree. I think it was like 99 cents. It was pretty cheap for a really cool facial treatment. You drop this in a warm bowl or basin, sink basin of water, and you put your head over top and maybe put like a towel, and it helps to steam and clear out your pores. This would be so fun. Maybe even like you do a face mask, like a charcoal mask, do the steam and then put on a really nice moisturizing mask. That would be the best Friday night ever. So can't wait to use this. I think it was on sale, but I'll definitely stock up if I like how this works. So that is everything, you guys. Oh, there was one more thing. I got the Snow Fairy body wash, which I gifted to my friend Elena. It is so nice. It's bubblegum scented. It was so hard buying things online without smelling them. But yeah, I thought, you know what, bubblegum, who doesn't like little bubblegum baths? So gave that to her with a bottle of wine. But that's everything. Have you guys purchased stuff from Lush lately? Let me know. I am on a bit of a kick. We'll see where this leads, but I really am enjoying pamper time, bath time, and I can't wait to dive in. So talk to you guys soon and see you in my next one. Bye.